Oh God, this is a Thanksgiving nightmare.
Iraq, somewhere.
Might get ugly.
We don't have time to screw around.
What do we do?
I will not be the last thing on that table.
We're sizzling over here.
Best one yet?
For sure.
Guys, this is what we planned.
Oh, yeah, baby.
It's like falling out of a flavor tree and hitting every branch on the way down.
Like this, yeah.
I like yours better.
Boom! Oh my God. It is so juicy.
Best one yet?
It's the best yet, for sure. You're like a kid in Christmas, grinning over there. Popped?
Why didn't we just pulse it in a food processor?
I made potato skins. They look terrible. Disagree. Ooh, good. That tastes good. You're doing a great job, Molly. We're sizzling over here.
Mashed with a slight amount of cheese, so I get a free lunch, or?
Cheers. Solid.
Well, this is how you win Thanksgiving.
Pow, pow, pow.
Give me another one.
I'm really excited to see what happens when we take it 1 or 2 clicks further.
It's 5:40 on day 2, and we're fucked.
What do we do? What? What is going on? I mean, it's true. It's like, how hard is
Don't
this
be
salad?
extra quick.
I just did what I told you not to do. How hard could it be?
I swear we're only going because people feel bad. Because in the comments of YouTube, people are like, how come Claire never travels?
Oh my God.
Oh God. Yeah, it's pumpkin pie, bro. Have you ever been to Thanksgiving?
Our flight is in 5 hours, and we haven't gotten the pies in the oven.
Ah!
You better temp it.
Yep. Ooh, coming a little fast around. Oh, it's Brad. We're gonna be in a hot kitchen cooking on a beautiful summer day. Oh, Christina,
We gotta get going.
do we have to do stuff?
Yeah, we gotta do stuff.
This is a Thanksgiving nightmare. I'm hungry. There is no meal I love more than Thanksgiving. I love it so much. It's my favorite holiday.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite holidays. It's just
It's the food holiday.
a lot of
Never
food
gets
and
old. The one and only point of the holiday is to eat as much as you possibly can.
Until
then
you
eat
get
again
into
the
a
next
food
day.
coma.
And it's all
Right.
the things that
And then pass
you've been
out.
waiting all year
Right.
to eat. Like the things that you would never ever have except for that one day.
But to me, Thanksgiving is like, it's as much about like us being here in the middle of summer, like how fitting that it's like 80 degrees today, you know? And it's like, it's about like developing menus every year and like being with you guys and like cooking through the heat of the
real
summer.
fam.
You know,
Yeah, we get 2 Thanksgivings, you know.
Well, or more.
We got like
Yeah.
10.
I mean, the downside of that is that, like, by the time actual Thanksgiving comes, how many turkeys have you actually eaten?
Right,
Like,
so many
7?
turkeys. In 2019, the goal is to really forget what you thought was ultimate before and reconceive like ultimate perfect versions of all of those dishes. But we also have to think about our reader, and I think our readers are like, turkey, mashed potatoes,
Yeah.
we need stuffing, we need, like, people get very mad
Yeah,
if
when
those
we go
things
rogue.
aren't there.
Like my family.
Like trying to eliminate stuffing
Yeah.
or something,
Oh.
people will cut you down.
So the fact that these recipes are going to live in the magazine and on the website, a lot of people are going to be making it, a lot more than, I think, pizza.
It's a lot of pressure.
years past, like we kind of dance around
Yeah.
perfection, right?
Yeah.
Because once you label something perfect, you know, like what do you do the following year, right?
So
recent one.
This is
2015.
2016.
20.
I love this
17.
cover, I have
Yeah.
to say. That platter.
The burnt like herb de Provence that's on there.
Check out this, like,
94.
bizarre
Yeah, but
burnt
wait.
orange turkey.
That one looks like it's encased
Straight
in like
plastic.
a
I'm into
plastic
that.
sheath.
But you guys have to look through this. Like, look at the props. This is 1984.
Wow.
Really,
84?
it really brings me back. Yeah. I mean,
Born in 1 year.
Brings me back to.
But I know I want the ice
want
bucket. Also, look
I
at
need all
the look
that.
at like the little confetti on the surface.
The theme running through every Thanksgiving is Andy Baragani.
Oh, God. I forgot about that.
And we're going to be cooking the perfect Thanksgiving meal. I think we should try to keep it into, you know, not everyone has an awesome test kitchen with 35 ovens, something that people can do. I like the idea of, you know, a one oven kind of deal, but I also really like the idea of bringing some element, if you can, outside. Maybe smoke or fry a turkey or something. I think that's pretty neat.
Outside job is the best job the entire night,
Oh, you'll find me out there. I'll be drinking.
right? Drinking, ice cold air.
Right, like so the Thanksgiving meal is a symphony, and like everyone has to be in harmony
a menu.
and working together. And So like my concern is that everyone taking their own dish. Worried in some ways that people will like innovate too much and then also maybe like not enough. And like how are we gonna make sure it all comes together really well?
I think we'll be fine because you know.
Okay.
You want to be able to go up to that buffet and take some of everything and not have it be like a train wreck.
At least there'll be like good division of labor.
Yeah.
But I think it's going to be kind of a free-for-all competition for like resources in the kitchen. Knives, cutting boards.
This is like year 9 of this. Like it's gonna go great.
Oh yeah. I have no concerns about the
that
food.
we've made year after year. Like
It's gonna look like this.
All right, we're in New Jersey. We're gonna go to Brad's house.
I got these lobster claws.
Oh my God, you're a savage.
Best looking color. Oh boy. Ta-da! Perfect cranberry sauce.
It's so good.